Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my very heavy Fabfitfun winter edit sale. I am so excited to see what is in here. I know you guys get tired of this story, but it's true. I don't even remember what I ordered. I am so excited to get it. I remember ordering things that I felt like I needed, but it's super heavy and I just remembered one of the things that's super heavy. Let's get in here. In case you don't know, Fabfitfun is a quarterly lifestyle box. It is the bomb. It comes out seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter, $49.95 unless you sign up annually, and then it goes down to $44.95 per box. And in between the boxes that you receive seasonally, they have edit sales where they clear out stock that they have, and they have vendors that bring in lots of things that they just put on sale that I think they say up to 70% off reduced prices. They have some really good stuff in that sale usually, and I got it really quick this time, and this is the summer box, so I'm really happy to think that maybe they are doing some recycling. Great. So we will get this open and find out what is in here. I love Fabfitfun. It is absolutely my favorite lifestyle box. I like Causebox for all the good that they do, but when it comes to useful products in my day-to-day life, I just can't beat Fabfitfun. All right, when I open it up, it is packed. Oh, well, you know, I was just thinking, I don't think I usually get my edit sale in a box like this. I think I usually get it in a big brown cardboard box. And that's what my goodies on the inside look like. All right, digging in right on top, I have a 3-pack of hand lotions that I actually picked up as a gift because I thought they were so cute. And I have a girlfriend that has a February birthday, and they are vegan. They are rose, honey matcha, and sweet citrus. And I'll repackage them really nicely, but I thought this would be great as part of her birthday present. And they say that they're shea butter, and it says shea bye to dry skin. Next, I have a Port and Polish weekly 7-day pill case. I know, weird, right? But I do take things day to day, and we're getting ready to travel, and I thought this might be fun to travel with. Oh wow, it's huge. And it has a mirror. I'll show you real quickly. Boop. But the top is a mirror, and that is the bottom. And it feels like silicone, and when you open them up, you have a big space, which is big enough for like vitamins and like a couple Tylenol. You might could even get some Tums in there. I'm just saying, I'm traveling with it. That's what I was thinking. I like that a lot. Next, I have Silked, the Silked Pillow Sleeve. Boost your beauty sleep. Say bye-bye to bed head, dry skin, and sleep lines. The Silked Pillow Sleeve helps prevent hair breakage, dry skin, and creases by preserving your natural moisture, unlike cotton, which strips your body oils, dehydrating your hair and skin. So I got this. I already have a silk pillowcase, but I only have one, and I thought I'd like another in rotation. And this was silk on one side and not on the other, I think. Yeah, the other is more cottony, so I'm hoping that it'll make it stay on a little better. It feels so soft and nice. And I went to one of these years ago when I started having more hair breakage because I heard great things about how it stopped frizz under here, and I absolutely saw a difference when I went to a silk pillowcase for that. And then I heard all kinds of great things about how if you use like a sleeping mask, or when you put your moisturizer on at night, when you lay on the cotton absorbs the moisturizer, but the silk does less of that, so it leaves you with more of it. So I enjoy it. Okay, next I have Kind Lips 100% natural lip balm. I know what you're saying. You bought lip balm? Gift. And it is a variety pack, and it is USDA organic, which I love. Let me show you what they look like. See, I use my Fabfitfun box. I do it with my Causebox too, and these edit sales to fill up my little gift goodie bags. This is Georgia Peach. That is so cute. And then this one is Sweet Mint. And then this one is Vanilla Lemon. They just sounded really nice to me. And I'm putting together apparently a gift of trios. I didn't even think that through. But I'm putting together a gift, and I have a bigger present for her. But I wanted a couple little things to throw in. Okay, reaching in next, I have the R & Co. Death Valley Dry Shampoo. And this is only 1.6 ounces. And that is what it looks like. I like a lot of the R & Co. products, but I had never tried this Death Valley. And I thought this was a perfect little sample size. And it was only a couple of dollars. And I thought it would be great for travel. Next, and a lot of the weight of the box, and this is the part that I remembered right as I was opening it, is my Laundress number 10. I could just take a minute, because I got two, and wax poetic about this. I discovered this through the Fabfitfun edit. It's just laundry detergent. So you say, just laundry detergent. It is so good. It cleans your clothes really well. Now granted, we're not, construction workers or anything over here. I do this kind of thing, and my husband works in an office. But, oh, it leaves your clothes so scented. And this number 10, I like all of them. I have the denim wash, I have the delicate wash, I have the signature wash. I already have this number 10, but when it wasn't in the last edit, and when it was in this edit, I was like, yeah, I'm getting two in case I have to go a little longer again. It smells heavenly. Let me see if they tell you what they think it smells like. It says, a laundry love affair. We celebrated a decade of turning a domestic chore into a luxurious experience by creating number 10, a scent close to our hearts. This rich and sophisticated fragrance blends bold spice and warm musk with pure and fresh powder notes. This is laundry after all. Number 10 doesn't reveal itself on first sniff. The scent grows in intensity throughout the laundry cycle, lingering on your clothing and linens from the dryer to the drawer like an aromatic love affair. It's true. I love it. I don't use fabric softener because, they've come out and said a lot of fabric softener things are super bad for you. So I use wool balls. I love it. Don't always use it on all of my clothes because it is expensive. These were 11, I think, half price each. 11. But I do my towels in them because my linen closet smells fantastic. And when you reach for a towel, it smells fantastic. I do our sheets in them. I do a lot of my clothes in them. But I guess I have waxed poetic enough about laundry detergent. But I will tell you, if you have $11 that you don't mind spending on laundry detergent and you see the number 10 in your edit sale next time, I highly recommend it. Next, ooh, it's blingy. Rock Your Hair, Spray It Big, Volumizing Hairspray. And I hope you guys can tell this is all bling. Ah, that is going to be so cute sitting on my vanity. And it's Big Hair Rocks. And it's just a volumizing hairspray. And I can always use that. I like it. Smells nice. It smells like hairspray. Okay, next I have a Sip by Swell bottle, and it might happen to be in what I would like to call February Amethyst for that birthday that I was mentioning earlier. I'm just saying, it was like $7 or $8, I think. Crazy good bargain for a Swell bottle, and I have this in black. Actually, I had it in black. My husband stole it, but I have my own that is marbled color. Love them. Oh, I just found a card buried at the bottom. Let's see what it says. In an effort to be more environmentally conscious, we are upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. Help the environment by recycling this box or turn it into a fun DIY. That is a great idea. I use these for shipping out my giveaways and all kinds of things. I absolutely do not throw these away. Actually, the ones that I haven't used, let me show you. Let's see if I can get it to turn. Oh, it's going to pop out. The ones that I haven't used are right there. There's a huge stack of them waiting to be used. I hope I'm centered now that I've done that. Okay, next I have a Deborah Lippmann The Stripper Lavender Lacquer Remover. and it's just a Deborah Lippmann nail polish remover. And they haven't put its parts in it yet, so it wouldn't leak. And I thoroughly appreciate that. This says that it is a award-winning, fast-acting lacquer remover. Lavender essential oil and aloe vera extract prevent dryness. No white chalky residue. Twist lock pump, lavender scented. So that should be fantastic. And last but not least, I have a box. Oh, I know what it is. So I'm sure you guys have heard me mention, if you've been around the channel for very long, that I have 4 beautiful grandbabies. And the oldest loves llamas. And when I saw this in the edit sale, I just had to get it for her. It says, Llamaizing. How cute is it? It's got little feet and it says Llamaizing. So cute, right? Of course, now I have to come up with gifts for the other girls so I can take this over to her, because that's how I roll. And that is it for my edit sale. See, it's not a sexy pile of products, but it is a useful pile of products. I have this for my grandbaby. I have a couple of things that I picked up for gifts. Like, how cute is this going to be? I got 2 of my awesome laundry detergents, nail polish remover, a silk pillowcase, the pill case. I have a nice big hair rocks hairspray and the R&Co dry shampoo. I am very pleased with that. I love the edit sale. It is, you get such great bargain. I think that everything that I chose was at least half off. So you can't beat that. Thanks for being here, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.